Hello. So I got a really good question a while back about someone asking, is it true that the farther a galaxy is, the faster it's moving? I get pretty regular questions about dark energy and where that fits into the dark matter thing. Are they related? Why are they both dark? Are they sisters? I'm going to kind of combine some of those. So about the first thing, is it true the farther a galaxy is, the faster it moves away? Yes. So Edwin Hubble, namesake of the Hubble Space Telescope, did find, looking at the distance and the velocity, so speed and direction of galaxies, and see my prior video about how we get velocities to things in space. He did find that the farther away the galaxy he was looking at, the faster away it would recede. And so I've actually got this plot that he found on the x-axis there. You can see distance, so you're getting further away as you go to the right. On the y-axis is the velocity. So notice that the velocities are pretty much all positive. What that means is all the galaxies are moving away from us as opposed to toward. And then notice the positive trend, meaning the farther you go out, the faster away they're moving. So this was our big evidence for expansion. And it was very like, oh my gosh, the universe is expanding. And not just that, but the fact that the more space there is between here and there, the faster the recessional velocity is, implies that it's not motion inherent to the galaxy, but it's the space itself, like the space between, which is just bonkers to wrap your head around. So that's that, okay? And now let's enter dark energy into the equation. So dark energy, I'll just define it first. It is what we believe to be driving the acceleration of this expansion. So we found that not only is the expansion of the universe happening, but it's actually, the rate is getting faster. And so we believe that dark energy, it's what we call this kind of repulsive, like negative pressure that we don't know much about, that's driving the expansion. So the source, like dark energy, actually falls out of Einstein's field equations, which we don't have to get into because there's a lot there. But just know that it kind of fell out as this number called the cosmological constant, and Einstein actually thought that it was a mistake. He's like, oh, clearly I messed up. Like, what is this? And now, all these years later, we have found, no, actually, not a mistake. Like that's a real thing, which is pretty cool. Cutting in to say, for a great read on this, read How Einstein Made the Biggest Blunder of His Life by Ethan Siegel. It covers Einstein's years of doubling down and his eventual reading of The Room.